Foldables take the extra large displays of a tablet and make it a little more pocket-friendly and aesthetic, especially with ultra-thin devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But since big screens arrive with a lot of potential, it can sometimes be difficult to find software that perfectly uses those square displays. Thankfully, Google thought the same and came up with something in Android 17. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Gaming on foldables is getting a huge boost with the new set of virtual controls, as Android 17 will bring an all-new 50/50 display layout to your mobile games, delivering emulator-like virtual controls to players. With this new layout, you'll be able to view your gameplay on the top portion of your foldable's phone screen, while the entire second half is taken up by dedicated virtual buttons and joysticks, creating a dynamic gamepad. Foldable fans must have seen this coming a long time ago. Gaming was one of the earliest things that was tried when testing a foldable began, back in the days of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And while some titles can be a little disappointing in their overall presentation, anything with virtual controls that took up a large portion of the display worked great. Anyone who's installed an emulator on their foldable will tell you it's the best experience you'll find that doesn't involve an actual physical controller. With this change, we can look forward to that feeling extending to all sorts of titles readily available on the Play Store. Unfortunately, it's not quite ready for today's launch, as Google says this foldable gamepad UI will roll out in the coming months. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.